Hello everyone, this is Fareen. I would like to share my personal experience of FATAFAT English with Abhishek sir. Actually, before joining FATAFAT English with Abhishek sir, I was just only able to speak and learn English, but I was not more confident and fluent to speak English. But after joining it, I realized I become more confident and fluent to speak English, and my personality has drastically changed, and it sounds great. And the faculty of FATAFAT English is pretty well, and the way of teaching is tremendous. And the best part of FATAFAT English is discipline. If you really want to enhance your personality, if you are very serious about your future, then you must join it. Otherwise, it will be just like that for you. I learned various things from FATAFAT English. It is not just a place for